If you've never been here before, welcome to the CATLESS YouTube channel. If you're already a CATLESS family member, what's swinging, gang? And I told you I got that video coming up for you. Today I'm excited to finally release one of my most highly anticipated videos probably of this year, and it's the exhaust comparison video. If you've been a member of this channel for a while, you've known I've had every type of exhaust possible on a BMW V8 M car, which is the twin turbo S63 TU engine, you know, and I've had every type of exhaust you can have, from muffler delete, straight pipe, CATLESS downpipes, full 3-inch exhaust from the turbos back. That's including downpipes. I mean, fully wrapped exhaust, you know, to muffle any echo or tinny or droney sound. You know, I've had so many different exhaust iterations that, I mean, I can't even count them. But I'm gonna let you hear every one of them versus the prior right here in this video. So put your earphones on, man. Not none of that cheap Temu stuff. Put some nice earphones on so you can get the true sound of what this exhaust sounds like. And quick disclaimer, the car might look different in some of the video clips because it's so many things I've done to this car since it rolled off the trailer, BMW certified from one owner to me, which was like candy red half wrap. I had 22-inch wheels on it before. You know, some of the clips I might have my drag pack on it, my Mickey Thompson drag pack, but it's all the same car. You know, it's all Sasha, you know, so check it out.
Hey, hold on. Let me get this YouTube for you. You can talk to them in a minute. Well, give me a minute.
Thing's a beast. You ain't gonna whoop that. You're gonna get embarrassed. That X6M, that thing's a beast. You hear that exhaust? That's those downpipes.
this is pretty much where we are right now, gang. My full 3.5 inch full exhaust and 3.5 inch downpipes with false tips in the rear. These next clips is going to be of the exhaust unwrapped and wrapped.
Man, I really hope you guys enjoyed that exhaust, seeing Sasha go from mild to completely animalistic. You know, I love the way the new exhaust sounds, well, the current exhaust sounds, and I don't think I'm going to change it. I think this is going to be her last exhaust iteration, unless I do something like, well, which is her stage 4, because she's in a stage 3. She's being built for a stage 3 now. stage 3.5, which is world's first for a BMW SUV. But I am gonna boost her up one more time, you know, and do something completely out of this world that's gonna shock a lot of you guys when she's done. So stay tuned for that. But as of right now, I'm very, very, very satisfied with the way she sounds, and progress is moving so very smoothly on her, you know. And I have a couple of more internal engine things to handle before she's tuned, and then, you know, and a couple other like aesthetic things, and, you know, like small stuff like mounts and suspension pieces to beef that stuff up, you know, well beyond what a true M car came with. You know, I'm gonna show you what true M car suspension is supposed to look like. But anyways, man, I really, really, really appreciate you guys for always being here to support me and Sasha and Olivia. You know, we can't leave her out. But yeah, I really appreciate it, gang, man. I love you guys. And if you're new here, I really hope you enjoyed the content, man. Like, share, and subscribe. And AutoLess out.